Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make bill payment via INSTAPAY. Process is very simple, just follow what I am doing. So first thing you need to do is open your ATOME Cash app and navigate to the bill tabs. From here select the bill you want to pay and click on this pay now button. After this choose payment method as INSTAPAY. You can change your payment method if you want by clicking this change button. After this, a unique INSTAPAY payment code will be generated just like this. Simply click on this copy button to copy it and then open your bank mobile app, website or any preferred e-wallet that you want to use to pay this bill. Simply select the option to send money. From here select INSTAPAY and select it as a transfer method. After this enter recipient account name and paste the Insta code you have copied earlier. After this just confirm your transaction details, check if you want to change anything, and after doing all of this you will receive a OTP on your registered mobile number. Enter OTP to authenticate the transaction, and once OTP is verified payment will be completed and you will receive a confirmation. So that's all you need to do. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel.